Hi guys, this is the Cool Kids and welcome to another video. Sorry we haven't posted one in about 2 or 3 months, but today we will be doing Whirly Bird ball trick shots. Let's have some fun. This is the going away blaster. The fails will be going up on my channel.
Yeah!
This is the high Whirly Bird fly.
Ah!
Missed!
This is the parachute drop. Oh dear. Oh, you broke the peacock.
Guys! The peacock.
Ready?
Hi, Whirly Bird.
Watch your thumbs.
Nothing happened.
I'll get it. How'd that feel? Here, Jess, take
Nothing
this.
happened.
This is the upside down Whirly Bird Smasher.
God.
Oh.
I don't know how to do the upside down ones.
Is that tougher?
Yeah. No, but you can do them for
Here we go. Here it goes. Here's the running jump shot.
Yeah! It touched.
Touching counts.
That might have not gone up on the channel though.
That's the running.
No, I need to see if it went up.
Ready? Here, Jess.
Wait, no. Yeah, it went up.
Ready? Running towards the channel shot. Oh! Again? Oh, you do it to me now.
Hold on. Sorry you guys might not see all of the attempts succeeded, but they will be happening.
Oh, wait a minute. Go. You went backwards.
Go.
Go. You went sideways. You okay?
Yeah.
You gotta watch out for your thumbs, dude.
That time the thumbs didn't hit. Yeah!
Alright, let's go say bye.
No. There's supposed to be more. At least has to be a 10-minute
It
video.
doesn't have to be 10 minutes.
Yes, it can.
No, but it doesn't need to be. We'll make it quick and we'll edit it.
No.
Yes. Jess, that's what the editing's for. One more. Ready?
No, on. Ow. Oh, yeah.
Straight up and down. Oh.
I can make it.
Go ahead.
No, that out.
Jeez.
And that will be the ending of this video. It will be stopped in 5, 4, 3,